Introducing the PosiTest HHDC continuous high-voltage holiday detector from DF-HHD, the measure of quality. Coatings and linings are used across many industries to protect structural steel, concrete, and other materials from corrosion. To perform properly, they must be free of defects or discontinuities that expose the substrate beneath. Areas of thin or missing coating, called pinholes or holidays, are often invisible to the naked eye and are near impossible to detect without proper instrumentation. Holiday detection is a necessary step in identifying these areas of thin or missing coating, as they can become foci for corrosion and drastically reduce the life of a protective coating system. The instrument used to detect these defects depends on the thickness of the applied coating. The PosiTest LPD low-voltage pinhole detector is ideal for finding defects in coatings less than 500 microns or 20 mils thick by emitting voltages below 100 volts through a moistened sponge. But for coatings in excess of 500 microns, a high-voltage detector is needed. Instead of a moistened sponge, a charged conductive brush or spring electrode is used. The principle of operation for high-voltage holiday detectors is similar to low-voltage detectors. The charged electrode is passed over the coating, and when a holiday is encountered, current flows from the electrode into the substrate below. The current returns to the detector through the ground wire, completing the circuit and triggering audible and visible alarms. DF-HHD offers two high-voltage holiday detectors. The PosiTest HHD features a stick design and uses pulsed DC technology to detect flaws. The PosiTest HHDC has a wand design and uses continuous DC to detect flaws. Both models feature adjustable voltage, built-in certified voltmeters, and compatibility with nearly all existing competitive electrodes. The PosiTest HHD emits a precise pulse of high-voltage current 30 times per second. This technology is easy to ground and reduces the possibility of the exterior of the object becoming charged. The advanced circuitry is capable of maintaining a precise voltage output over the full range of 0.5 to 35 kilovolts in a single instrument. For more information, check out the full PosiTest HHD instructional video. The PosiTest HHDC high-voltage holiday detector uses continuous DC to detect holidays in coatings. It operates at a similar voltage range as high-voltage pulse holiday detectors, with the added benefit of being light, compact, one-handed instruments. Unlike some continuous DC models, the PosiTest HHDC does not require carrying a separate shoulder battery bag. All of the electronics fit neatly within the wand, eliminating the need for a separate power source. All PosiTest HHD models are compatible with a range of quality electrodes, including steel rolling springs for pipes up to 2.4 meters or 8 feet in diameter, and a selection of brushes up to 1.2 meters or 4 feet in length. All connectors are manufactured from stainless steel, aluminum, or neoprene to be corrosion-resistant, durable, and lightweight, with no tools required for electrode changes. Adapters for all major competitive electrodes are available for connecting existing spring and brush electrodes from nearly any brand of holiday detector. The PosiTest HHD series is directly compatible with DF-HHD and SPI electrodes. To attach the desired electrode, simply use the knurled thumb screw to secure. An extension rod is also available for the PosiTest HHDC for detection on floors and hard-to-reach areas. The PosiTest HHDC conforms to national and international standards for holiday detection, including ISO, ASTM, and NACE for holiday detection. The PosiTest HHDC's intuitive menu interface makes holiday detection simple. Simply input the coating thickness to automatically calculate the required test voltage. To begin testing, simply screw in the heavy-duty ground connector and find a suitable ground. Connecting the heavy-duty clip to a bare uncoated area on the substrate is required. Press the power button to turn the PosiTest HHDC on. The set voltage is shown on the backlit display, and the icon-based menu can be accessed at the touch of a button to change settings such as the test voltage. The voltage can be adjusted in 10-volt increments between 500 and 1000 volts, and in 100-volt increments between 1 and 30 kilovolts. Press the menu button to accept and exit. The PosiTest HHDC has two primary operating modes, standby mode and detection mode. In standby mode, the detector is powered up but not generating a high voltage. When the trigger is activated, the instrument enters detection mode, and the detector actively sends out voltage and listens for a return signal. The lightning bolt icon will appear at the bottom of the display, and the instrument will emit a tick sound. Prior to testing, it is a best practice to verify the operation of the instrument by putting the instrument into detection mode and passing the electrode over a known holiday in the part being tested and ensuring that the alarm activates. This ensures that the instrument is properly configured and grounded. The PosiTest HHDC is ready to begin testing. Place the electrode on the surface being tested. Move the electrode over the coated surface at a travel speed not to exceed 0.3 meters per second or 1 foot per second to locate defects. If a holiday is detected, the PosiTest HHDC will activate the strobe and audio alarm. Before removing the detector from the surface, release the trigger to deactivate the high voltage output and return the PosiTest HHDC to standby mode. The durable PosiTest HHDC features a shock-absorbent housing purpose-built for tough pipeline and manufacturing environments. Powerful, lightweight lithium-ion batteries fit neatly within the compact wand handle, eliminating the need for a separate battery box, reducing weight and operator fatigue. It weighs under 2 pounds, or 1 kilogram, and is designed to be used comfortably all day. The PosiTest HHDC has a built-in certified voltmeter which continually regulates the operating voltage. A separate certified voltmeter is available for verifying all continuous DC holiday detectors in the range of 500 to 30,000 volts, if required. Ordering is easy. The PosiTest HHDC kit includes everything needed for testing: the instrument, ground cable with ground clip, smart charger with universal AC voltage input, stainless steel fan brush, durable hardshell case, and a long-form certificate of calibration. The PosiTest HHDC is the simple, durable, and accurate way to find defects, pinholes, and holidays in a coating system. For over 50 years, DeFelsco has been a leader in inspection equipment, manufacturing simple, durable, and accurate gauges. Backed by DeFelsco's renowned quality, customer service, and exceptional 2-year warranty, the PosiTest HHDC is the ideal choice for holiday detection.